In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize an invoice in Xero. To get started, sign into Xero and look to the top of the screen. Click your name at the top to open the main menu. This is where Xero keeps your account and organization options, and it's the quickest path to where we need to go. From that menu, click on Settings. The Settings area is your control center for how your organization behaves and how documents look. Next, click on Invoice Settings. This section controls the look and feel of your invoices, quotes, and related documents, so any changes here will help present a consistent brand to your customers. Now, click New Branding Theme. A branding theme is essentially a template that stores your visual choices, like logos and colors, along with key details about your business. Creating a new theme lets you experiment without changing anything you currently use. Start by editing the address. Make sure your business address is complete and formatted the way you want it to appear on customer invoices. Include lines like street, city, postal code, and country. Keep it clean and professional. Avoid using special characters or extra punctuation that can misalign on PDFs. Then, edit business details. This is where you confirm your business name exactly as it should appear to customers and add any registration or tax information your region requires. Keeping these details accurate reduces customer questions and helps invoices look credible and compliant. Move on to brand and styling. This is where your visual identity comes to life. Click into it to access your design options. Click. Choose logo to upload your company logo. A clear PNG or JPG works best. If possible, use a high-resolution file with a transparent background so it looks crisp on screen and in print. A horizontally oriented logo often balances well at the top of an invoice, but a square mark can work too if it's legible at smaller sizes. After the logo is in place, choose its position, right, center, or left. Left aligned is classic and tidy, center can feel more formal, and right can create a modern, asymmetric look. Pick the option that complements your logo's shape and your overall brand. You can also select a brand color. If you have a brand hex code, enter it to match your existing guidelines. Aim for strong contrast so text remains easy to read. Subtle colors can look elegant, but make sure headings and totals still stand out clearly. When everything looks good, click Save Theme. Your changes are now stored in this branding theme, ready to use on your invoices. That's it. Your Xero invoices now reflect your brand in a clean, professional way.